Okay. So everyone is clear till yesterday, right? Or anyone is having any questions on that?
No, sir, all good.
Well, okay. Today we will create app install campaigns. Okay, mobile campaigns. So this is a very important because most of the clients will come for app installs. Okay, every campaign is more important, but the thing is like everyone is going on to mobile only. Okay, for example, if we take today's class, out of few members, 50% of the people are on mobile itself, right? So the reachability of the user on mobile is high. That is the reason people will want installs for their apps. Okay, awareness or installs. So has anyone campaign?
Sorry, your voice broke down actually. So we did not hear it
Okay,
clearly.
has anyone tried before in
App
creating an
installer.
app install campaign? Yeah.
No.
Has
Like,
anyone tried?
are you asking campaign and
You
app promotion?
Yes, app promotion. Has
No, sir.
anyone tried? No. Okay, good. So now see, there are a lot of objectives are there, right? So we will identify which all objectives will fetch us app install campaign. Okay, where we can use which objective we can select. Okay, in that way you'll be more clear. Okay, rather than me saying which object you have to select, it's better we'll see each and every objective which is okay for starting and creating a campaign, app install campaign. Okay, actually just try each and every objective and see whether we can do app install promotion or not. Now directly we have that app install promotion. Okay, not that one, just check it if you're having a single in sales, in leads,
Okay.
like that. Because if I say display all our search, we have to go on each and everything, right? But here for app promotion, there is a different objective itself is there. But to have your confidence, right, just check another objectives also, whether in sales, leads, web traffic, product and brand awareness. In these objectives, whether we can do app install. Go to sales first.
No, Anna, go up.
Hmm.
Just scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. I don't think we have app promotion here.
Okay.
Go to leads, Anna. No.
No.
Continue. Oh, it's taken to new campaign. Sorry. No.
Go back.
Brand awareness.
Brand awareness.
So here in product and brand consideration also we have options to place a video just like how we had in brand awareness and reach. So
Yes.
so it's just the objective of the campaign that it is related to brand awareness and reach. But
Yes, that is the only
it,
objective. Okay, you can by selecting the objective, you can do your end result.
no, I mean to ask, these two objectives are designed for the video promotion actually, right?
Even website traffic, leads and sales also had video option. When you selected and
Yes.
when you continued, it showed video option. and performance max.
Yes, of course it did.
Yes.
But these two are particularly showing only uh, video selection objective. I mean, this has display, but here we only have a video related thing.
Okay. So now you understood that you can't create an app install campaign with any other objective other than app promotion.
Here we have
There's one more.
That is create a campaign without a goal. Okay, that is with that objective you can create any type of campaign. Okay, initially it used to be only that option, and now for the feasibility of every user, now they created all these objectives to understand and to create a campaign easily. Okay, so most of the people, whoever are experienced people, right, they directly go create a campaign goal without the goal guidance. Okay, that they will select it. For freshers or new people, will directly go and select these objectives, because what is the end result they want to get is, for example, if it is only website traffic, they go and create that website traffic campaign. But as in experienced people will go objective without a goal, and then from there they'll select whatever is needed and they can optimize it better. Okay,
okay.
so here you
Will
have that
they?
option of yeah.
Sorry, sir. Will they get an option of choosing their audiences from previous campaigns as well in create a campaign without goals guidance?
Yes, yes, yes. Everything is, see, the audience levels, everything is there for in terms of account level. Okay,
Okay.
as per your account, those audience are already get fixed. Okay, so that's not a concern. In an account, how many campaigns you are creating, the same audience you can create for each and every campaign. The only reason here is when you are trying 2 or 3 different campaigns, the objective is different and the audience should be different. If you are keeping the same audience for every campaign, right, the results will not be that fruitful. You have to check
Yes.
which audience is working out for you. If one after running the campaign, if you understand, okay, this audience we are getting good results, then we can go ahead with that audience. Okay.
Mm. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now
Uh,
here
do,
you are got
do you use do you use that last option to prepare or create a campaign, or do you use normal ones?
I use most of the time I'll use the last one only. Create a campaign without a goal.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And the reason here is like there are different reasons are there. If you are using on the top objectives, right? What happens is the bid value will vary. Okay, it will be high or it will be low. We don't know whether how the system has understand our account. Okay, but if I go with can create a campaign without a goal, right? Most of the time, my bid price will be low only, because system will understand this person is an experienced person and he's trying to optimize. Okay, if you select the above options, anything, system can understand easily. Okay, he's a fresher or who's not that experienced, so it can grab as much as it can money.
S- So, what kind of interview question do they ask about this? And do we need to answer about bidding?
No, no. Here they may ask only one question. So I want to create an app install campaign. What was the objective you used to select for creating an app install campaign? Or else they will ask, I want to create an universal app install campaigns. What was the objective you'll select? Okay. He may ask, why don't I get through sales, through leads, through website traffic, these objectives. So still using these objectives also, you can drive app install campaigns. Do you know how? Now
No,
you have
sir.
seen each and every objective, but you could not see app installs over there, right?
Yes.
But the interviewer will ask you, can you drive app installs with other objectives? The answer is yes or no.
Yes, for create a campaign without a goals guidance, but no for remaining every other objectives.
Okay, good. What about you, Deepti, Sindhu, Akhilesh? What's your answer?
I think same.
For app installations, I don't think we can do. I mean, we can go with other objectives apart from this.
Okay, good. Others want to give an attempt? Anyone want to try? No, you can just speak, not an issue. Okay. Okay, let me tell you. The answer is yes. For every campaign, we can drive it in a different way. Okay, other than like a product and brand consideration, right? Other than that, we can drive most of the time. The reason is here. Even for that, we can try. The only issue or the only main goal to get that is through app extensions. Okay, we can use extensions, right? Site link extensions, app extensions. When we are creating any campaign, we have the options to create an extension also. Do you remember
Yes,
what do you
sir.
mean by extensions?
Yes, sir.
Extensions, location extension, right? Like that, we also have lead form extension. In addition to that, we have app install extension also, app promotion.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, I'll show you that. At least just go to the previous campaign yesterday which you have created, or else open any campaign. Go to campaigns.
It's not there in video campaigns, sir. It's there in sales leads.
Yes, yes, that's what I want to say.
The sales leads, uh, I did not
Yeah,
create
yeah.
or I did not attend the class as well.
No, no,
No,
no
no,
problem.
that's okay. Anna, you just open that.
No, no, just go
A new
go
campaign.
back. No, no, go back. I will tell
Yes.
you. Come down. No, no, no. Leave it. There on the left side, you can see, right? Ads and extensions.
Extensions. Hmm.
Yeah, click on that. Go to extensions.
Okay.
Click on it. Okay, on top, just click on the plus button. What all you're having?
Site link, location, affiliate location extension.
Okay, because right now we have done only one account, right? No, sure. Just
Other than that, other
we
than
have
that,
many
we
extensions.
have yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
Me, sir.
Yeah.
We have so many extensions in our campaign. When you select next, it will show several forms of extensions like lead extension, call out extension, location extension, extension, etc.
Okay.
Price extension, promotional extension, app install extension. Okay, there are a lot of things are there. You can utilize those extensions for whatever objective you need it. Okay, so that will be
Sir,
the question they will ask you.
I don't think I saw app extension over there when I created lead.
Because the reason is here, like you have not linked your app.
Mm-hmm.
So account and access, if I show on the top, go to on the top, the third one from the left side. Yeah, click on that. Access and security. No, no, go on the top that, but click on that button. Linked accounts. Here we are having, right? Go to Google Play Store. Here you have to link your app. Google Play is there, right?
Hmm.
Okay, once you are having your app, you have to link that here. Then you can see that option in all the campaigns.
That makes sense. So can you take one day and explain all those options on the top?
I already said, right?
Um,
I think you missed it. Yeah.
yeah, maybe.
So
That's okay, sir.
every extension or everything on this tab I have said in the starting time.
I think I missed it, sir.
Yes. No problem. Still, I will say in the last. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
If you have any doubt, right, just ask me. I will conduct one more class also. Not an issue for me. Okay. My main intention is only everyone should understand all these things.
So do you use all those linked accounts, sir, or only limited ones?
Only limited. All are not required. Na? Just open and see what all are there in that linked accounts.
So you can directly add your YouTube account over there and do promotions for those ad campaigns for that YouTube YouTube videos.
Maybe we'll
Anna,
get in the suggestions. Just
Anna,
like, ah, yes,
did you really add some amount on your campaign?
yes, I did.
$50. It's showing balance is running low. That's why I asked.
So yesterday video campaign, have you promoted it?
No, no, I did not. Previously, I tried to create one campaign. We actually have a business here, so I tried to
Okay.
create one. So
Okay.
on that basis, I have added the amount.
Good. Good. So you can try with any amount. Just initial amount it will be 500 amount, 500 rupees. Add it and you can try it. The only reason here, like you have to keep your budgets allocated for your campaigns. For example, if you are promoting 10,000 per month, try to keep that 10,000 amount for almost 5 to 6 months. The reason here is like your system will understand your account and it tries to optimize your budget. Okay.
Okay.
Rather than only promoting 1 or 2 months, it's better if you promote every month. then you will get the desired results. Okay, so whatever accounts you're having, you have to go to linked accounts and you have to link those accounts here. The reason here is like once you link all those accounts, right, whatever extensions you get is good, and it is very easy for you to optimize your campaigns also. Okay, now just go to the app install campaign. App promotion, go to that option only. Okay, not without a goal, directly go with app install promotion campaign. Okay, what all you can see here?
App installs, app engagement, app pre-registration, Android only.
Hmm. Here is like app installs means if your app is there and it has to get installed by the user. Okay, for that reason you have to select the first one, and second one is app engagement. Already if you're having your app, okay, and you're not getting any engagement, try to create this campaign. It will encourages to get engagement. Okay, just to reopen the app. And the third one is app pre-registration. There are companies who want to launch their app. Before launching the app, it want to get the feedback from their users or customers, and it want to see how much of users are going to come. So for that they will start this pre-registration also. Okay, that means that app will be in beta phase. That time they will use this option. And we can promote Android app as well as iOS app. Okay, here if you go and see, you will get only Android. Just check each and every option. First option you are checking app install, so you can see Android and iOS. App engagement, you can see Android and iOS. App pre-registration, click on it. See, you can't see that. Okay, so before that, go to another tab and open that my testmate. Another tab. Okay, come down to the bottom. Come down. Completely bottom. Now, yeah, here you're getting it right. Install campaign. Right click on it and open in another tab. Okay, this you're getting it. On the top, you can see the URL. Okay, what was the URL? You can see equal to com.app.testseries.mytestmate. Is that right?
Yes.
Com.app. Is this is the link. Whenever you want to promote any app, you can use this URL. Like it starts from com.app. Any app you can just check and see. That was the package name. Okay, app package name starts with com. Okay, even if you're asking your client for app install campaign, you have to ask the package name. Okay, the URL name. So though URL name, they don't know anything, they'll send all the completely. But your thing is like you have to use it from com.app.testseries. Okay, after that, after com dot, anything will be there based on the developer, how they create it. Okay, just to copy com.app, starting from
Yeah,
com.
I already took this. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Come to the ads here. Okay, go on top. Okay. It will come. Just go and click on app install campaign. First app installs.
Okay.
Okay, here Android, and here you can paste that or else you can even enter the name of an app. If it is more familiar, it will also pop out here. Okay, but to avoid confusion, the thing is like there are so many dummy apps with the same icon. Okay, so it is always advisable to use only the package name, so there is no duplication in the package name. Okay. Yes.
So, sir, there is no option of selecting both mobile apps, mobile platforms like iOS and Android.
Yeah, you can select. So initially you have to create for Android, and after that you have to create for iOS.
Okay.
No, at a time she's asking.
At a time, no. If you want, you can try it. Now there is no option like that, right?
Yes,
Mm,
there is no option.
You have to only select only one option. The reason is from platform to platform, there are a lot of variations are there. Okay. So now you are seeing the app name there, right? Okay. So here you can give your app name and select any name. Okay. My app campaign.
You can continue, sir.
Yes, continue. Now you can see which location you want. Okay. Where your ad has to be shown. Okay. See, the options remain the same for search, display, and video also. Okay, that's not a thing. So now if I want to do it, the content of this website or the app is only related to India. Okay, all government exams or private exams, right? So it is always advisable to keep only India. Okay, or else if your budget is low, try to select one state. For example, if Telangana government has implementing new jobs, creating new jobs. Okay, once they get a notice, like you can only select Telangana because people now will show more interest for such websites, right? If AP government has given some notification on a job, then you can select only AP. I see, depends on only budget. Okay, or else if a bank exam is there, IBPS, right? So if that exam is there, that is for whole state, all states, not whole state, all states means India, complete India. So such notifications, if you want to do, you can even target whole India. Just select Telangana completely.
Yeah.
in location.
In
Okay.
location, this is radius or selecting.
Mm-hmm.
Just select Telangana. Okay, some notification is coming, so we can consider as Telangana. Okay, come down, save. Okay, now here option, you already know these options, right? Presence or
Yes.
interest, presence,
Yeah.
such
Yes, sir.
interest. Okay,
Telugu and English.
Telugu and English.
But in Hyderabad, they speak Hindi also.
Yeah, Hindi also.
Very good. That also you can give. Or it's better use Telugu and Hindi rather than English. If
Yeah.
you want to more specific. Okay. And try to create one more campaign and keep only English. Then you can understand which language is giving you good results.
Mm.
Okay. And here you have to keep the start date and end date.
Okay.
July 1st.
So, like you have mentioned yesterday, we have to create a campaign 4 days prior, so that from the selected date we will be getting the
Yeah, 4 days
results.
prior.
We
The
start
reason
getting the
is
results,
like
right, sir?
because again your campaign, whatever
Mm.
campaign you create, right, that will go for review. Okay. So once it goes for
Mm.
review, that should be get approved. Okay. If it is not getting approved, if it is getting rejection, then again you should have some time, right, to correct that error. And to do
Yeah.
that, so it is always advisable to keep 4 days to 7 days mostly. Okay, if you're creating the
Yeah.
campaign right now and you immediately want to do now, you will not get anything, because review is more important. So review may take for 2 days to 1 week also. It says like 24 hours to 2 days, but still it's advisable not to go with that. Just keep a more buffer time. Okay.
Okay.
So people are doing that review or system is doing that review.
There are two options are there. One is mostly it will be done by system. Okay, if a violation comes, then when we correct it and we'll send it, right, then that will go to manual review.
Okay.
Okay, most of the time it happens. And the reason is like a set of instructions are already given. Okay, AI. So it will check it whether you are keeping the targeting right, whether you are misusing any terms. Okay, because if you are using medical terms in those headlines somewhere, right, that is against policy violation. So immediately the system will catch us and it will raise an issue. So after that, what you have to do, you have to again correct that and you have to resubmit your app. Once you resubmit the app, then it will go for manual verification. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Select some end date. July 30. Okay. Now more settings. Next, data feed is not required.
No, but what is that option? Sir?
Attach a feed to improve targeting and enable ads that feature your feed item. The thing is here, like Google Ads uses feed to improve the performance and targeting your campaign. For example, your feed might be used to target users looking for products like yours, or enable users that include the product in your app. That means like once it shows, right, it shows an text over there, whatever the service it is providing. For example, if it is my testament, it shows like exams, education, so that people will more clear, okay, this app is related to education or this app is related to this service, like that. Okay, here it is not required for you. The thing here is like click on that, I'll show you. Here dynamic ad feed is there. A dynamic ad feed is like it will take from your mobile app itself, okay, the data which is needed. Or else Google Merchant Center feed is different. For example, whatever product you want to show, that will be displayed there. What type of product you are selling based on that. Okay, and this Merchant Center is a big topic that goes for shopping ads. Okay,
Okay.
so here it's not advisable to keep that data feed. What happens in a data feed, if you are keeping, and if you're keeping dynamic ad feed, sometimes you may use some terms which is not uh, as per the policies of Google. Okay, but as it is dynamic, people have searched something related to a text which is like clinical text. Okay, but once that gets pop up, you will get a violation again. So it is always advisable not to keep dynamic feeds anytime. Okay, even dynamic search charts you can create it, but most of the time you will get violations because of the content which is there on your website. Okay, so now you can uncheck that. Yeah, go to next. So now budget and bidding. What you will keep? Here it is asking for daily budget.
Yeah.
$10.
So the
Sorry, 10 rupees.
10 rupees. One app install cost itself will go for 14 rupees. Okay, but still you
so
can
the
keep 1 rupee. Okay, just keep 1 rupee. So for previously for one of my client, I have given a budget. I have
Hmm.
got install even for 25 paisa.
Okay.
How is it possible, sir? Just just by doing more campaigns, do we get to know about how much bidding we have to keep, or did you use any strategy?
It's a strategy. So what you have to do is like the strategy behind here is every advertiser is having a certain limit of budget. Okay, so even billionaires, millionaires also will not use complete budget on a single day. Okay, even their capacity of spending per month is 1 crore or 10 crores, but still they have a limit for single day, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So you have to identify that. So when I'm getting an install, that happens based on only an experience. You can see, okay, everyone is trying to keep their individual budgets. Now just try it for 1 rupee, and you can see it, because if your competitor's budget got exhausted and there is no one is there for advertising on app installs, okay, then what happens? It is only you, right, on a single day.
Yes, sir.
So when it is you, even if you keep for 1 paisa, you will win the bid, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is what is needed. So it is not like every time you have to get everything for easy. It depends on the present situation. At in the time of Corona time, right? The app install campaign we got for a very less price, because there are no advertisers that point of time. People are not spending money for advertising, right?
Mm.
So
Yes, sir.
already there is scarcity was there, and people are not spending any budget on these promotional activities, because even if they promote, it is of no use, right? People will not make
Yes.
purchase because the purchasing capacity of an individual got reduced because of Corona. Okay, so in that condition, the percentage is low. Okay, buying percentage is low. It is not completely zero. Buying capacity is still there. Okay, at this point of time, Zomato, Swiggy, and all these people has advertised their app installs campaign only. Okay, that point of time people wants food, right?
Yes, sir.
So that was the right time for them to do it. At the same time, even medical apps, there are a lot of medical apps are there, so all these people also are kept advertising. Okay,
Mm.
so that happens, it depends upon the situation, which is called as environmental factors or external factors. Okay, so
Okay,
if
sir.
you can if you can understand the external factors, you can get the price as low as you need it, but that is very rare. Okay, at least it is 1 rupee is okay. Okay, 25 paisa, 45 paisa, that also we can get it based on your time. Okay, now we
Okay,
are
sir.
keeping for 1 rupee, but now what the situation is like, every even a small app install campaign also is going for around 14 rupees, 15 rupees, 60 rupees, and if it is a gaming app, it goes in hundreds. Okay, because the competition is too high for that. So where you can see this ad, can anyone tell me?
Um, Mostly in Google, uh, like Instagram, YouTube,
Mhm.
Facebook.
No, those are external. Here what we are doing is like app install campaign. Everyone is using app mobile, right, in your hand. Just go and open Play Store. In Play Store, try to type something. Okay, photo frames. Just select photo frames, type photo frames and select enter. Then you can see on top, you can see two ads,
In suggested, we
Yes.
have the ads.
right?
Yeah. Even Google Chrome is running an ad.
Yes, everyone will run an ad. The major target for this app install campaign is mobile Play Store itself. Okay, if
Mm.
someone is searching for an app, any app, it will show your app on that. Okay, first two positions. So there are likely chances of clicking on that app.
But also, sir, whenever we use Facebook or Instagram, we will get ads like games. Nowadays, they are preparing some videos for the games. When you install, you can't see that video at all.
That happens through Facebook advertising, not Google advertising. Okay, even in Facebook,
Yes.
you have app install campaign. Okay,
Um. Okay, sir.
you're getting right. So how we are having from Google app install campaign, even Facebook is also having that. See here, what you can do is like even through Google, you can target them. Okay, but the dominance is there only for Facebook rather than Google on Facebook platform. Okay, and if you want to understand who was the advertiser on that ad, you can see when it is sponsored, you can see a block where it is showing whether the ad is from Facebook or Google. Can everyone hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think
I
Akhilesh.
didn't get, sir. How to see
So
whether it's showing from Facebook or Google?
so if you're seeing a sponsored ad, right,
Mm-hmm.
just click on that sponsored ad on the left side, then you can see which advertiser is doing that. So in
In
display, as I
App
have
Store,
showed you,
sir.
right? Yeah,
Oh,
in display, and not in App Store, is most of the time it's only Facebook, Google only.
mm-hmm.
I'm saying when it is from Facebook. Okay, because not only Facebook and Google are promoting on that platform, even third parties are also promoting on that platform.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Akhilesh, you got disconnected. Can you share the screen?
Yes, sir. Sorry, my laptop is stuck right now. Actually, it is no, not able to access anything. Just got
Okay,
restarted.
no
And,
problem.
mm,
No problem. No problem. So till now you're clear, right, everyone? So the
mm.
next steps is nothing, just like to select the audience where we want to select. Okay, which app you want to target, where you want to show. The thing is like once, for example, if you are playing, okay, if you have opened Play Store and you're playing something or you're watching anything on mobile, there also you can see the ad. Okay, if you're using any mobile and you're doing it, still you can target on any other platform your app install campaigns. It is not only on Play Store. Whatever you do, you can see that ad. So that is all about app install campaigns. Okay, so the ending will be same as display as well as search. Where you want to target, which location. Already locations you have targeted, right? You have to see the audience, and after that you have to click on setup and launch. So once you launch that one, then it will go to the review team, and now the review team will check whether the app is linked to your account or whether you have the right to promote the app or not. Okay, if it is true, then it will get approved. Once it get approved, then it will start showing your ad to the users, right users. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, still we have 10 more minutes. If you have any doubts, you can ask, or else if your system got restarted, you can share the screen so that they will understand that point also.
Yeah, it is installing updates actually. It is still
Okay,
in
okay.
12%.
So this is all, and you should know afterwards. So this includes the Google campaigns completely. Now, what my thing is like, you all have to create those campaigns on your platforms and just test how they are performing. Then only you can raise more questions. Okay. For shopping also, it is like for shopping we should have merchant center. Okay, Google Merchant Center. So as we are not into business, we don't have that merchant account center. Okay, so that is needed for us. The reason is, in merchant account center, what you'll do, what are the products you want to sell? Okay, those all will be stored there in terms of called as feed, FEED, feed. Okay, so in terms of feed means, for example, if you are having 10 products you want to promote, so you have to feed that in that merchant account center, and you have to give all the details like what is the product is all about. Okay, and how much of stock you're having, the number, and everything. And then what happens, once you start shopping ads, it will show it, and someone made a purchase, it will deduct it from the inventory, from the feed. For example, if you are keeping 10 only, so till the sales happens for 10, after that it will not show that ad, because you are not having the inventory with you, right? So the merchant center will control all those things, how much of products you are having, whether I can show that ad to the user, because after showing the ad to user, if you want to buy, if the product is not there, what you will do? You can't do anything, right? It shows a bad user experience. So that is the reason the feed has to be updated regularly. There are a lot of third party agents are there who are only maintaining this feed. Okay, feed means uploading the products in the merchant center and checking the status of the product all the time. If they identify, okay, this product is selling high and there is no stock, immediately they'll try to replace that stock from their inventory team, okay, or their supply team. They'll inform their supply team that this product is selling high and we are having very less inventory in the merchant center. We need, that is how check into those feeds, and they'll see what was the remaining, how many of products are still remaining. If you see, there are a lot of products are there. Okay, for example, as if I want to start my digital marketing course, I have started and I also want to use as a feed. Okay, what will be my feed? Facebook ads is different. Okay, and Google ads is different, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, LinkedIn ads. Like that, I'll give 5 to 6 feeds for myself. Each course is costing around 10,000 or 20,000 or 30,000, like that. But I got almost all 20 members. What I think, okay, there is only 2 more days are there, 3 more days are there. Let's grab few more students. So what I'll do, I will keep 5,000 or less than also to that, because I want to complete that number. Okay, I just kept my feed as like 30 members, but I already achieved 20 or 22. Still 8 more members I need. What I have to do, if I want to attract more students, I will keep some discount, right? So there I will reduce the price. Immediately that will also get utilized. Like that, even here, if people are having the products, less products, okay, only 10 are there or 15 are there, and they're not having the products anymore. What they want to do, they all have to sell those 10 products and have to close that. So for that purpose, they give promotional extensions. Promotional extension, like if you buy purchase this, you will get 10% discount. Like that, they make their inventory to zero. Okay, because inventory management is more important for any e-commerce site. That is how they maintain the merchant center, and they will update the feed on regular basis. They know what is the status of the stock. Based on that, they will do it. Okay, so as we don't have that, we can't explain that, but we'll tell you how you can create the ads for shopping. Okay, you will select that. Only the option here is like, for example, if you're doing for mobile app install campaign, what you're doing, you're giving a link, right, of your app. In the same way, if you're having a merchant center account, you have to give the link of the merchant account center while setting up the campaign. That's it, nothing more. Remaining everything is like just like our search and display. Okay, any doubts?
Sure.
Yes, Sindhu.
Sir, I have it. Should we give in headline and description for app promotions also, sir? App installs.
Yes, yes, yes. You have to
Okay.
just like display ad how you are giving or search ad you are giving, right? You have to, because what you should show, right? What is your app is all about. Okay,
Okay.
the description also will be there. Headline will be 30
Okay.
character limit and description will be 90 character limit. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
that is mandatory for everything, headlines and description. Any more questions? Shirisha, you have any questions? Okay, Akhilesh. Venkata, you have any questions? Okay, then everyone is clear, right? Of creating a campaigns and everything.
Yes, sir.
Good. As I said before, now again, Hyse is promoting giving training for new batches next. Okay, job mandatory course training. So, if possible, try to promote that on your social media platforms. Okay,
Okay, sir.
in our WhatsApp group, you can see that links, right? Images and links. Just if possible, try to share it with all your friends. The thing is, like, at least you will get benefited out of that. Okay, it's a job guaranteed job training course. Okay, which is free, and I think you have to pay only once you get the job. So, which is a better option, right? Once you get offer letter, then only paying to just circulate that content with all your friends. So, whoever is in need of a job or whoever is
Okay,
really
sir.
interested, at least they will get benefited out of it. Okay. And today's assignment for you all is like just to try to create one app install campaign and see what all is happening in that. Whatever questions you're having, we will discuss it in tomorrow's class. Okay.
Sir, are we having WordPress class as well?
I'm not sure about that. You have to check with the management only. Even I'm not sure on that because I have just taken only the digital marketing, not the web development. WordPress comes under web development. It is not under digital marketing. Web development is entirely different course.
Whom to ask, sir?
Your coordinator, Deepthi,
Alia.
Alia, and Deepthi. And now her Deepthi has taken that seat, so you can ask Deepthi.
Okay.
Then Deepthi will reach out to Alia. Alia will reach out to the management, like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But try to utilize the digital marketing class as much as you can. Try to do set up more campaigns, then you'll understand. At least keep some budget. Okay. Start and use for learning something, right? You have to keep some amount also. Then only you will learn it and you'll get more confidence. Okay. Once you get more confidence, right, you can easily clear the interview, any interview. Here, if you're spending around 10,000 for promotion and everything, after the with that confidence, you can earn a job of more than 3 lakhs. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So no more questions to anyone, right? At least today we are closing on time. Every day we are extending. Thank you, Akhilesh. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
What you have to use minimum 2,000 rupees to get your free credit. How much of amount you are using it, based on that only it will come. Once you spend 2000 for your advertising, then Google also will give you the 2000 rupees. Okay. If not, people what they will do, they will utilize the promotional budget and they will leave it. So Google don't encourage that. First, you have to spend from your pockets 2000 rupees. Then Google will also give you 2000 rupees. No, it is not transferable to any credit card, because it is encouraging you people to take action on their account, not to credit it. If not, what everyone will do, everyone will create an account and they will transfer that amount to their accounts and they'll shut it up, the account, right? That will become another issue. So how
Even
much?
if the even if it didn't use the total entire campaign total budget, it will be transferred to another campaign, right?
It is for the account itself. It is not like campaign basis. It is
Okay.
completely account. Okay. You can create n number of campaigns, right? You create display campaign, search campaign, app install campaign, YouTube campaign, everything you are creating. So you are spending almost, you spent almost 2000 from your own. Okay. After that it is done, again Google will credit you 2000 rupees to your account. Okay.
Okay.
So you can use that amount for promotion again. Any campaign in your account. Amount is for
Okay.
campaign level, not campaign level. It is like as account level.
Hmm.
That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if you're spending 2000, you're getting 2000 means 4000 you're getting to utilize for your budget. Okay. So at least you'll learn something out of it. Because if you spend your money, then only you'll put more interest, right? Okay. Tomorrow I will show you all those things. Yes, it will be shown in billing only in the promotional tab. That also I have shared in the first class itself, where you have to utilize the promotional code. Once you use the promotional code, then the amount will get credited. Okay, then. Bye for today. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye.